Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the most popular cryptocurrencies being offered on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right here to where it says buy crypto, or you can also go to the Explore page as well. But we'll just go to where it says buy crypto and press on that. So once you're here, you can actually just see it says popular assets right here. So there's a bunch of different popular ones. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, etc. So you can kind of scroll down here and check out what they deem as popular ones themselves. You can also exit out of this and go to the bottom and press on Explore as well, where you can kind of see the biggest gainers, what's hot, the most popular right here, and then go ahead and press on see all. So a bunch of different ways to do it, but this is probably the simplest way, and you can kind of see the most popular cryptos being offered right here. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find the most popular cryptos on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.